Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today, Memo Paris, starting to become a big favorite of mine in the world of fragrance. Big favorite. I can't wait to get my paws on Tiger's Nest. But before we do any of that, we need to go ahead and get into the rest of the discovery kit. Look at that sheen. Oh, look at that sheen. The sun just hits it just right. All right, and we have right here. I'm gonna go ahead and there's no resistance there. Odeon. Sounds like a Yu-Gi-Oh card. Odeon. Obliterate. 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 It's like my favorite phrase of all time. All right. Anyway, focus. Let's get back into this. Gotta get this. Well, let's first read what they got here. Yes. All right. The penultimate fragrance. There it is. Right before the last one. Odeon. The Seine and the Rose. Seine. S-E-I-N-E. Let me know if that's wrong. The heart of Paris. Memo roams a new neighborhood with a melody of swelling embody. This sounds like something that George R.R. Martin would write. Man. Neighborhood of melody. A neighborhood with a melody swelling, embodying the creative flame of Odeon. Its amber glow fanned by candied date and sandalwood. I'm in. A round of applause for the performance of the essence of rose and tonka bean. I'll be the judge of that. Before rediscovering the charms of the old stone and silver roofs of letting yourself be engulfed by the presence of musk. All right, so rose, tonka bean, and musk. And I gotta give them 10 points for putting that quality verbiage visual together for this oil and juice, all right? And I don't mean that to demean it. I just mean that that they're going the extra distance by and I know a lot of the fragrances do that, but I've never seen anything written like this. These are very well written, very well crafted and distinct. And it's as much art as the bottle and as the fragrance itself. So shout out to Memo Paris for that. But now that that's all out of the way, let's get it onto the back of the wrist. Back of the wrist. Kind of missed. Let's do it again. All right. There it is. Very juicy rose. I'm wondering if this is Turkish rose. Smells like Skittles. Smells like Skittles. Let's go ahead and get into what's in here. I'm getting rose. Not a whole lot of musk. Definitely a lot of rose. And it's a little sour. So I'm curious what that's about. Yeah. All right, so we have amber, rose, musk, powdery, vanilla, woodsy, sweet, warm spice, aromatic, and floral. Getting floral, getting rose. That's about it. All right, so you have rose jam as a note. There's a new one. Rose jam. Sandalwood. Well, that's the top notes. It's the middle notes. Sandalwood, patchouli, cashmere. Cashmerean. In the base, you have tonka bean, amber, and musk. Okay. I would definitely say it's unisex. It's a strong rose, but it's got a roundedness to it. But it's also jammy, or jammy rose, or rose jam. On second thought, I would say this is more feminine. I think that's tough, man. Because it's floral, but it doesn't smell sweet. But it is like a super rose. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Well, when I thought of the Yu-Gi-Oh card, I definitely didn't get this. Yeah, I mean, this is what it smells like. It's rose and musk. I'm not getting a whole lot of sandalwood, patchouli, cashmere, tonka bean, or amber. It just smells like rose and musk. And, you know, that can be very forgiving because I don't think that those are, you know, feminine smells. And it doesn't necessarily go sweet. I think a guy could rock this, but I think it'd be great on a girl or a woman. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple. There's not a whole lot here. It's not really inventive. It's not really trying to do anything crazy. It's pretty simple. I think it's a rose fragrance that's very juicy. Smells at the first aspect I was getting Skittles, but I'm not really getting that anymore. Yeah, I would say a feminine rose fragrance. It's nothing crazy, but it is a quality rose. I think that's the big thing here. It's like it's not a BS rose. It's not a harsh fragrance. It's a quality rose. Yeah, I say check it out. Nothing too crazy though. But that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I would say so far this is like the most underwhelming, but not bad at all. But it's a little underwhelming. I was hoping, especially with that verbiage. I mean, swelling in the streets of Paris. Like, it was crazy. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.